Hello everyone, I'm Glenn Hill, the product manager for the production switchers of Sony. I'm here at NAB 2016. We have a lot of exciting things to show you from both the operational and some hardware enhancements. From an operational point of view, we have our X panel, which we announced last year. From a technical point of view, we are now announcing the new XVS family, which we'll talk about in a little bit. From an operational point, one thing we're going on over here is we've split this control panel to prove to you that you can truly set these control panels up any way that you want. You can move rows around, you can put them on a back bench. It's very, very easy reconfiguration, very easy flexibility, gives you maximum capability of the product. We also have over here a slightly larger panel. Both of these control panels are actually sharing one XVS 8000 that we have here, which shows resource sharing. And it's not just two control panels on one processor, but both panels truly are independent. They both have their own ability to do file saves and loads and configurations without impacting each other. On this panel, because of the flexibility of the panel that each row is totally configurable on its own, we've assigned these top two rows to control a completely different switcher. And to make it a little bit more of a challenge, the switcher that we're controlling is 250 miles away in Culver City. Here's a shot actually of our Culver City, and we can make all of our changes on that switcher directly from here. All of the video from that switcher is coming from IP back to Las Vegas here and coming directly into my switcher and is perfectly timed with my sources here in Las Vegas because of the precision time protocol that we use that goes from here to Culver City and locks everything up in precise time, so when it comes back to here, I'm now timed up with the rest of my plant. As I mentioned before, both of these control panels are connected up to an XVS 8000 that's here, which we announced last year at NAB and is shipping now. But we've also announced two new members of the XVS family, which I would like to show you if you follow me over here. Over here, we're proud to announce that two new members of our XVS family. Last year, we announced the XVS 8000. We now have the XVS 6000 and the XVS 7000. Exactly the same hardware between all three, just different I/O, different numbers of MEs. They all have the same capabilities. These two products will be shipping in October timeframe. Our XVS 8000 that we announced last year is shipping now. One of the things that's key about this is the IP capability and the flexibility. We're very proud that our product is really ready today, but it's open for tomorrow. We have the capability of having IP, multiple flavors of IP, as well as our standard BNC connections on this frame. So if you want to start with BNC, and as you start adding your IP products, you can start changing out the IP back, putting in IP back panels. We also have the ability to do field programmable on these back panels, so as the standards potentially change, which they will, we can keep up to date with those standards. We will be supporting all the standards that are out there. We have a lot of alliance partners, and we are be doing Aspen and Sony's NMI format will all be native directly in the switcher. If you would like to have some more information, I encourage you to please go to sony.com professional and please check out our products. Thank you very much for joining us today.